Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The holidays are over, but the cookies never stop in my household. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate chip cookie with a Nutella filled center. Okay guys, so first things first, make sure you take a stick of butter out of the refrigerator. You want to get this to room temperature. Then the second thing is to put your Nutella in the fridge. Then lastly, we're also going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cream the butter and sugar together. You also want to scrape around your bowl just to make sure that all that ingredients get incorporated evenly. In this bowl I have about 2 cups of flour, and then I'm going to add to it my baking soda and salt. Then I'm going to give that a nice whisk. Then I'm going to add the flour to my egg mixture a little bit at a time. And you want to be careful not to overwork it. Just mix it enough to incorporate the ingredients together. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and add the chocolate chips. Can start assembling the cookies. So you're going to take just a little bit, and you're just going to create kind of like a small pancake, roughly about this size, and I'm just going to make it into a nicer circle, so maybe about that much. And we're going to take the Nutella out of the refrigerator, and the reason why I told you to take it out of the refrigerator earlier is because you don't want it to be kind of soft and melty. You kind of want it to be a little bit firm so it's easier to work with. And what you're going to do is you're just going to, there we go, just going to put a little bit in the center there. Okay, and then and actually you don't really want to be greedy. You just want to have a little bit, because if you fill too much then it might leak out while it's baking. So you're just gonna make it into a circle, make it into a ball, I mean, and there you go. Just give it a little roll. There you go. Okay, now that we're all done rolling our cookies, we're going to put them in the oven. And you just want to make sure you spread them out a little bit. I have actually quite a few on this pan, but hopefully they don't touch each other. Alright, so let's put them in. For you today, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Kate from the Yappy Kitchen.